వారు లీడ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. క్రీడాకారులందరికీ కూడా అడ్వాన్స్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్ చేసుకుంటూ ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని మన గౌరవనీయులు క్రీడా అభిమానులు, స్పోర్ట్స్ లవర్, నిడారంభులు శ్రీ గూడెం మైపాల్ రెడ్డి గారి పరిచయ కార్యక్రమం జరుగుతూ ఉన్నది. All the officials of this tournament, అదేవిధంగా నిజామాబాద్, ఇందూర్, నిజామాబాద్ క్రీడాకారులతో పరిచయ కార్యక్రమం. వారు చక్కటి ప్రతిభా పాఠవాలు ప్రదర్శించవలసిందిగా ఎమ్మెల్యే గారు ఆశీర్వదిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఈ శుభోదయం ఈ అతిపెద్ద పారిశ్రామిక వాడైనటువంటి పడాంచెరులో ఈ క్రీడా సంబరం జరుపుకోవడం ఎంతో సంతోషాన్ని ఇస్తూ ఉన్నది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, ధన్యవాదాలు సార్. మీ యొక్క పూర్తి మీ ఇంక్రిమెంటల్స్ కార్యక్రమం ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ జరుగుతూ ఉన్నది. ఆల్ ద అఫీషియల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలంగాణ ఖోఖో అసోసియేషన్ అఫీషియల్స్ అందరూ కూడా వారు పరిచయ కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. వారికి ఎస్కార్ట్గా హనుమంత్ రెడ్డి గారు, సౌత్ రైల్వే క్రికెట్ ప్లేయర్ అండ్ మైత్రి క్లబ్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు గౌసద్దీన్ గారు, రమేష్ బాబు గారు, సదానందం గారు పెద్దలు వారిని అనుసరిస్తూ ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తా ఉన్నారు. మానసిక ఉల్లాసానికి, శారీరక ఆరోగ్యానికి
So Adilabad captain is here and Nizamabad captain as well.
మరి ఈ మ్యాచెస్ ప్రారంభించడం జరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి ఎమ్మెల్యే గారి బోత్ క్యాప్టెన్స్ అండ్ అఫీషియల్స్ అందరు కూడా ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్పంచుకోబోతా ఉన్నారు.
So Nizamabad choose this. There you go, Nizamabad players, and you can see the Adilabad players are running now.
Thank you, sir.
The match is going to be really
జాతీయ
good.
సమైక్యత
So Adilabad is going to chase now. Nizamabad is going to defend.
అనే దానికి ఈ
Witness the match.
క్రీడల నిదర్శనం.
So the captain Jivan Das and it's Sri Charan and Sandeep from Nizamabad, first three. The captain is going to lead now, and so does the Adilabad team. You can see them. They are coming to chase it, and the officials are also ready to make the scores and all.
Adilabad captain.
There you go. They are starting this match now. What I heard is Adilabad is a tough team. So let's see. There you go, the call from the officials, and the other official is there, you can see. So there is one official and here are the officials. They'll check the any something fouls. So this is a state level match, so you will see tough. There you go, it's going to start.
Table official.
That's it, match has started. Sprinting good. Nice. Excellent dive. There you go. In just 10 seconds itself, they jump like tiger. Chance. Yes. No. Nice escape. Okay, almost tried to jump there. Nice chance. Yes, chance. Yes, but not. There it is. Excellent. Yes, point is given. You see how tough it is. That's why this is next level game. Coco it is. Excellent pole touch without making any foul. That's advanced. Chance, no. Nice escape. Sandeep it is. Yes, good. It's been a 1 minute. Nice dodge. Made a foul, just have to be clearing it as soon as possible. Yes. Sir, they're claiming it but not giving. He's choosing for that ankle actually. Chance. Yes, that's an excellent dive. Point. So 2 points for Adilabad team as of now. Chance dive. Yes, you can see point. What an excellent dive that was. So the first three has been eliminated in 2 minutes itself. So Adilabad, that's a foul. Nice chance. Two of them. No. That's a foul. So they escape it now. You can see the shout of go. Just missed. The dodge is really good. That's simple. We have a chance. No. Now. Now, yes. Nice dodge. Excellent dive once again. Nice dive this time, point. Yes, another point. They given it. 5 points as of now for Adilabad. Nice. They are making fouls now. 5 points so far.
4 minutes over.
So there you go, the official call. It's 4 minutes. Yes, chance, yes, point.
Simple.
The last 3.
We're out. 1 in. Number 4. Test number 4. Out.
So they are making the substitutions.
4 number. Coach number రావాలి.
That's a nice substitution actually. Dive, no. Point given, nice. Nice. Chance.
Hey, number 12.
Pole touch.
Yadav.
No.
Out. 5 minutes over. 11 in. 11 in. There you go. That's another substitution there. It's 7 points as of now. They got chance, yes, point. So the final player from the last 3.
8 points. That's it. 9th point is given. The first 3 from Nizamabad came once again. They're making another substitution. Looks like. Chance. No. 6 minutes are up.
Number 8, test number 8. Test number 8. Out. Number 8. Number 8.
Chance. Yes. Point. Nice dodge. Chance. Yes, nice point. No. No. That's it. Point.
10, simple.
That's it. Substitution.
6 out, 4 in, Anna.
Chance. Nice.
Test number 6. Test number 6. Hey, it రావాలి అటు కాదు. Purple. ఇటు రావాలి. అయ్యో బాగా ఎత్తా తమ్ముడు.
There you go.
ఇటు.
Another substitution. It's so far, 11 points they got. Adilabad. Chance. Point. No. Nice escape. Chance. Yes. Point. 12 points.
7 by 5 simple.
That's foul. Adilabad players not giving them any momentum to play long. That's a nice tactic actually. That's saying foul.
8 minutes over.
So 8 minutes are up now. And this is the first match of this state level tournament, Telangana. Chance. They made a foul. So the time is going to end soon. So chance. They're making chances. So dive. No dive. Yes, the official is ready to call it. Yes, there you go. Let's see, can they get a point? No, the official told it's time up. And that's it. So the official says they got 12 points, Adilabad. So they're taking some rest now. So does the Nizamabad players as well. They have to score more than 12. So the rules are like they have so many chances, 9 minutes, like 2 innings. So the Nizamabad players know they have chance to make it even, and their coach is telling them to focus on the game and to score as many points as they can. You can see them. So they are going to be, it's going to be very tough for them. And there you go, the Adilabad team is there. And it's going to start soon. It's like these first innings attack from these Nizamabad players. So they're given the timeout. They're calling the players to come. So Adilabad team, Nikhil, Naveen and Pradeep. So they are going to defend now. These players from the first 3. You can see them, their jersey numbers as well. They're warming up to defend. Let's see how many minutes they will play. And we also see the Nizamabad team attack. So in how many minutes they will get these points as well. So they are into the court. Officials are ready to start this innings. There you go.
మళ్ళీ ఫౌల్ పడతాయి చేసేస్ డిపెండెంట్ ఎంపైర్ టేబుల్ ఆఫీషియల్ టైం కీపర్ స్టార్ట్ ద మ్యాచ్.
That's it. The official call is there for starting the match. So Nizamabad players have started really good with that roar of Ko. Nice once again. Nice, no, yeah, almost caught that.
1 minute over.
That's nice from Adilabad team. Not given any point as of now. That chance, no. They made a foul there. No. Yes, what an excellent dodge that was. That's nice point. So that's so unfortunate for Nizamabad.
2 minutes over.
So chance, yes, he given it up.
9/6 simple.
Played on like 2 minutes. That's really nice. Actually, that's Adilabad players. So he given time for these two.
Yadav.
Yes, point given. What an excellent dive. That's not good.
Oh yeah.
That's it. 3 minutes are up. So that's a dream run for Adilabad team. The first dream run in this tournament. It came from Adilabad team now. It's really nice from Adilabad point of view. Excellent dodge. The attacker is confused with the Adilabad player doing those skills. That's no nice dodge once again. Excellent. What an excellent gameplay from Adilabad team. Oh, unfortunate. You can see that defender running. You know, he is exhausted, trying for dodges and all.
Your attention, please.
What an
This is the
excellent
first call for the next match in boys section. Medak versus Kamam. Both the team managers note this is the first call for you. I repeat. In boys section, Medak versus Kamam. Both the team managers.
Please note, this is the first call for you. Thank you.
Nice pole touch. 5 minutes are up. Still 4 minutes they have. They got only 3 points as of now. Nizamabad. So according to that, Adilabad doing really good in defending as well. Let's see, we still have some time. Can they make comeback? Wow, nice. Two are there. Saying it's foul once again. Wow. They're not giving points. 6 minutes are up. So the substitution happened.
క్రీడాకారులకు ఒక సూచన, ఎవరైతే టిఫిన్ చేయలేదో వారు త్వరగా టిఫిన్ చేసి రావాలి. నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాచ్ మెదక్
Nice, nice, nice. Yes.
ఉంటుంది.
Wow, what a nice one.
మిగతా
That,
టీమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా వెళ్ళి టిఫిన్ చేసి రావాలి. హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్లో టిఫిన్ క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I don't think we have some dives from Nizamabad players. Only we've seen many from the Adilabad. So 4 points as of now. So substitution happened. So 8 minutes are going to end soon.
13 out to 14 in
Unfortunate.
once back in the Adilabad. Time 8:30.
So the last minute, only 4 points as of now. So these Adilabad players are really tough. So as I said, they given a point.
Simple.
Nice. So substitution.
Dream run.
So the dream run, it's third time for Adilabad. They got dream runs. Really nice. So whoever watching from home this Coco match should learn from these players how Adilabad is defending, you know. So you should learn these skills, these tactics. Nice. Wow. So the time up. You can see from the player from the second three, he defended it. So it's Akash from Adilabad. They played really nice, isn't it? These are the players from Adilabad. You can see them. Really good. So they are all exhausted. Played really good. You can see their faces, how exhausted they all are. That's the toughness of this Coco. So the coaches as well training them to win this match. So with the dream run, so as of now Adilabad got 26 and the Nizamabad got 10. So this is going to be the final innings of both the teams. It's going to start soon.
26 or 27 ఇది 26 and Nizamabad scored 10 points. From Adilabad side, chest number 3 scored 3 points and played 2 minutes 10 seconds. From chest number 10 scored 2 points and played 2 minutes 10 seconds. Nizamabad side, chest number 2 played 1 minute 30 seconds and remained not out. Chest number 13 scored 2 points and played 1 minute 30 seconds. At the half time, Adilabad leading by 16 points. Thank you.
So this is the final one. The Nizamabad should score more than 16 points to be in the game. Otherwise, you know Adilabad team will win the match easily. So the defenders are here to defend. So it's Rahul, Ganesh and Surender coming for defense from Adilabad team now. So let's see their gameplay. Nizamabad players are ready and the officials as well. They are also ready. They are making those calls, making everyone alert. That's it, started. Chance. Yes, point. Yes, no. The dive is there. Yes, no. So as of now 1 minute is completed. Nice. Point given. 2 they got as of now.
Hey, 7 number out right direct. Actually, edu irukala nenu.
Nice. Point given. 3 points. Nice one. Point given. Dive. Yes, point. No point. That's fair enough. Three minutes as of now. They got 6 more minutes. They got 4 points as of now. They need 13 more points.
రమేష్ రమేష్ ఎక్కడున్నావు బాబు హై పాయింట్ దగ్గర మధు లోకల్ మధు దయచేసి కృష్ణమూర్తి సార్ కలగాలి సెక్రటరీ తెలంగాణ ఖోఖో అసోసియేషన్ రమేష్ గారు మీరు మైక్ పాయింట్ దగ్గర రండి
యాదవ్
4 minutes over.
They're trying more. Yes, point. Nice. 6 points. Wow. Nice.
Five minutes over.
Only 4 minutes left. 6 points. Chance. A dive, point.
2/7 simple.
Foul.
Six minutes over.
So they got 3 more minutes.
Hey, Shiva.
Substitution 3 out of 9.
So we got some tremendous matches coming. Nice. Finally.
Seven minutes over.
Wow. Unfortunate. So the official is ready.
8 minutes over.
The last minute now. There you go. They got a dream run. That's point. It's a clear pole touch.
One by one.
Chance. Yes, pole touch. Wow.
1/6 pole.
So the time's up. Adilabad
Number 11.
is there. Nice. That's it. The match is ended. Adilabad won this match. So there you go. That's nice. Nicely played. These Nizamabad players. Good. They have many more matches to come. They'll make their comeback as well. So the Adilabad team played really good. What an excellent match.
Is a second call. Match between Merak versus Khammam. బాబు కొంచెం వాటరింగ్ చేయాలి, వాటరింగ్ చేసి లైనింగ్ చేయాలి. కోడ్ నెంబర్ 1 2 ఇన్ఛార్జ్
Really nice.
అవునా?
They're also
కోడ్ నెంబర్ 1 క్లే కోడ్
making them.
ఇన్ఛార్జ్ రవీందర్ మల్లేష్. రవీందర్ కాదు, లోకల్ రవీందర్.
So there's been some points left behind for Adilabad. So they're going to score them now. So the Nizamabad will try to defend. So that's the thing the official said. So they have some points to score.
జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ గారిని ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాం సార్. జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ పటాన్చెరు పెద్దలు వారిని వేదిక ఆహ్వానిస్తూ ఉన్నది. 44th ఖోఖో జూనియర్ ఇంటర్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఖోఖో ఛాంపియన్షిప్ కార్యక్రమానికి వారు ఇచ్చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. వారికి స్వాగతం తెలియజేస్తూ ఉన్నాం.
Wow. The first one is done. Superb. No. Foul. Chance, miss. So we're waiting for some points. That's it. Wow. Foul. Chance. Yes.
2/3 simple.
Okay. Chance, chance.
13 by 5.
Simple.
3 minutes over.
Simple.
It's a foul. So the player got out because he's out of the court.
Score 3, 489.
Oh, pole touch, no pole touch. Dive, no dive. Point, given. Wow.
4 minutes over.
So the official saying it's clearly done. So Dadalabad won the match. That's what they're saying now. There you can see him.
లైట్గా సెంటర్ లైన్ మీద వాటరింగ్ చేసి సెంటర్ లైన్ మార్కింగ్ చేయాలి. లైన్ మార్కర్స్ సెంటర్ మీద లైట్గా వాటరింగ్ చేసి సెంటరింగ్ చేయాలా, లైనింగ్ చేయాలా. పి కృష్ణ, అంపైర్స్ బి శేఖర్ అండ్ జి నందా, టైం కీపర్ నాగేశ్వరరావు, అసిస్టెంట్ బై రూపా, స్కోరర్ M. Srinivas, assisted by Asma, pole umpires Vinod and Navin Kumar Karimnagar. I request referee P. Krishna take the charge and start the match immediately. Court number 1.
So thank you officials. The match has ended.